Common laptop problems and how to fix them. Welcome to our video on common laptop problems and simple ways to fix them. If your laptop is overheating, ensure the vents are clear and use a cooling pad. Clean out any dust that might block airflow. Experiencing slow performance? Free up storage by removing unnecessary files and consider upgrading your RAM or switching to an SSD. Is your laptop not charging? Check your power adapter and charging port for damage. Sometimes a simple restart or battery reset can solve the issue. If you're dealing with a flickering screen, update your graphics drivers or adjust the screen refresh rate. Facing Wi-Fi connection issues, restart your router and check your laptop's network settings. Updating network drivers can also help. Struggling with unresponsive keys, debris might be stuck under the keyboard. Try cleaning it gently or use an external keyboard temporarily. If your laptop crashes frequently, check for software updates and run a virus scan. Faulty hardware might need professional repair. Remember to back up your data regularly to avoid losing important files. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech tips. Share your laptop problems in the comments, and we'll help you troubleshoot.